Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to add products to your Shopify store. First is onto your homepage. Click here onto the products from the left side panel. And now we can choose here the word add product onto the top right. Click on it. And now we can now enter the product title, product description, and also a specific photo of our product. You can also choose a category, add a pricing, inventory if you want to track the quantity, and where do you want the stock to come from. You can also edit the shipping information, the variants, and the engine listing. Now onto the right side panel, you can choose the status of it, like for example, a draft or active. You can also add a product organization like type, vendor, collection, tags, and choose a specific template. And then after that, click the save button onto the top right corner to add it onto your products. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.